Okay, same thing, calculating slope. Actually, we can't label the units here because I didn't give you any units, so that doesn't apply. We're just calculating slope. So we have m equals, I'm going to start with the top point this time, just in case you just see it easier that way. So if I start with this top point, my numerator is how far up or down I'm going. I have to go down to get to my next point. How far? Nothing's labeled, so we're going to say they're counting by ones. So we go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get to the right line. So that's down, so that's -6. And then I'm moving to the left, 1, 2. So left is also negative. So you might be thinking, okay, the slope is -3, right? Because 6 divided by 2 is negative. But look at the slope. Is this a positive or negative sloping line? It's going up and to the right. So this is a positive slope. So look at the picture to help you check your math. So that's when you realize, oh yeah, negative divided by negative is actually +3 over 1 or 3. So this is a positive slope, okay? If you had started with the point on the bottom, you would have gone up 6 and you would have gone right 2. So there's no negative there to confuse you. I just wanted you to see that you can start with either point and you'll still get the correct answer. But always double check yourself by just looking at the picture. That should be the easiest way to tell if you've got a positive or a negative slope. Last practice problem, I'm looking at this slope and hopefully you're noticing that this slope is negative, right? This is a negative slope. So let's see. They clearly marked these 2 points. Let's see if there are any closer ones. No, they're all just a little bit off. So see how it's not directly on where the lines are intersecting. It's close to the origin, but it's not right there. So yeah, I'm going to use the 2 points they gave. That's usually the safest way to make sure you don't accidentally pick a point that's not on the line. So this first point, I'm going to start with this one. And I have to go down, so negative. I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -7. And then I'm moving to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's my slope, -7/9. You do not turn it into a decimal, you don't do anything. You type in -7/9. That's it. That is all. That is the final answer.